An update now on that deadly shooting in rural Sacramento County. A deputy opened fire on a man who they believed was carrying a real gun, but it turned out to be an airsoft pistol.
CBS 13's Anna Giles is live for us on this, and Harold with reaction from neighbors. Anna?
Yeah, neighbors are telling me they're not surprised this happened. Multiple people called 911 about this man yesterday, and deputies found him lying unresponsive in a ditch. When he reached for something that appeared to be a handgun, that's when he was shot. The caution tape is down and the road's back open in this small Harold community. But the memory of a massive police response is still fresh.
It could have easily been way worse than it was.
A neighbor who didn't want to talk on camera remembers seeing at least 22 patrol cars. She says this is a neighborhood where people know their neighbors and the police don't visit often.
So I want to know really what they know now, because there were no, as far as I know, civilian witnesses to it.
Sacramento County Sheriff's deputies arrived at the scene around 2:30. They say they found the man unresponsive in a ditch, but eventually got him to start talking. That's when a deputy noticed something that looked like a handgun in his waistband. Deputies gave verbal commands, but the suspect reached for the gun anyway, and that's when he was shot. Deputies later discovered it was an airsoft gun.
Not really that surprised.
Erica Hendrickson says the man police shot lives in the area and people have had issues with him before. She says she saw him out on the road not long before deputies arrived Sunday.
But when I left, he was laying on the ground, kind of up against the neighbor's fence. And I thought about stopping and asking if he was okay.
Deputies say the man might have been on drugs, and Hendrickson says she's seen this man on them before.
He was always out roaming around at nighttime. You didn't know what he was doing, and a lot of people were kind of leery of him.
Despite that, many neighbors find the situation unsettling.
I'm saddened. You know, it obviously was a loss of life, which I don't take lightly regardless.
Well, deputies aren't releasing much information about the man who was killed, just that he was 55 years old and from Harold. The deputy that shot him is a 19-year veteran of the force.
More questions to be answered here. Anna Giles, thank you for that update.